Hi. How you breathe affects your physical body, the nervous system, your mental and emotional states, and vice versa. The breathwork sequence that we're going to be doing in this practice video can help you do two things. One is to discover the breathing pattern that's not helpful for you, something like shallow breathing, where you're breathing just mostly in the upper chest, and that's an indication of chronic stress. This sequence can also help reset how you are breathing so that you feel better, more balanced and more regulated, breathing more fully. There's three practices. The first one, we're going to start by breathing slowly through the nose and just take in a lot of air, really full inhale. There's a natural pause, and then you're going to exhale. This will activate the vagus nerve, the parasympathetic nervous system, that rest, digest, and snuggle response. It helps improve the oxygen uptake into the blood, and it can slow your heart rate and your blood pressure. So, this is calming. The second exercise we're going to do is yawning. It is a forced yawn that we'll do for a couple minutes. It might feel a little weird because we're not used to doing that, but your body will naturally take over and it feels good. It will stretch the muscles of your face, your throat, your ribs, the diaphragm, and it releases tension. The third exercise we're going to do is called circular breathing, and it's a continuous inhale and exhale without any pauses. We can move a lot of air in and out through that. It can lower the carbon dioxide in your blood, which will create some tingling in the hands, the feet, the face. Sometimes people feel warm or that there's vibrations or energy running through the body, for example. It can also have emotional release and even dizziness. So, if you are concerned about that, please stay seated as you're doing the exercise. And we're just going to do it for 2 minutes. So, it's a pretty short amount of time. At the end, we're going to return to that relaxed, deep breathing through the nose, just kind of settle in. And you are in control of your own breathing, so you can stop at any time. The invitation is to see what are you doing, what can you do, and to respect your body's signals. It's fine to shorten the practices if you need to, take a break, or play around with it and keep going. So we're going to begin now. So coming to breathe through the nose only, deep, full inhales, the natural pause, and a full exhale. And take your time, no hurry, just nice, slow, deep breaths. Controlled, long, slow, long exhale. We're working toward having about 4, 5, 6 breaths in a minute, which is really slow. It's okay if you're doing more than that right now, but you're trying to just take such deep, long breaths that each breath takes about 10 seconds. Feel your belly expand, your back expand as you breathe through the nose. Long breaths. A couple more breaths. Now we're going to begin yawning. So obviously your mouth is going to be open and you will have to force it to begin. Just keep going, keep yawning. There's no right pattern of yawning, just yawn. Keep going. Keep going. We got about 1 more minute. Notice how your body takes over sometimes with the yawns. Enjoy that. Keep going. A few more. Keep going. Enjoy it. Almost there. Okay, good job for your yawning. We're going to move into that continuous inhale and exhale. We're going to breathe through the mouth. It's a fair bit of air if you wish. This is the easy route, kind of like a yawn. We're shortening the pauses at the beginning and end of inhales and exhales. For those who wish to get a bit more ambitious, you can move your whole body into it. Put your hands on your legs, for example. If this feels comfortable, you can move your mouth more. You can make sound. Keep going. 1 more minute. Remember, you can always stop or slow down. You are in control of your own breathing. Continuous breath, holotropic breath work. This can also be called keep going. Almost there. Two more. And release, return to a normal breath through the nose. Feel the sensations through the body, fingers, feet, face, arms. Hold on to your desk, hold on to your chair. Just breathe through the nose. Let your body breathe however it wishes. And stay here as long as you need to and just enjoy the relaxing breath through the nose. Notice how much more your diaphragm is moving, the belly is moving, how much longer your inhales and exhales are. You have reset your breathing pattern to something more balanced, not driving chronic stress. You can feel your pulse, you can feel your heartbeat perhaps. Just relaxing into the chair. Good. Good job. Try this once a day, try it a few times a week, try it multiple times a day, totally up to you. The process takes less than 10 minutes. Best wishes to you. Take care. Please let me know if you need any assistance or have questions. I'm Dr. Annie Weisbrod. Take care.